Find the first three terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 1 over the square root of 1 minus 3x. State the range of values of x for which the expansion is valid. Okay, so we've got, first of all, we're going to write 1 over the square root of 1 minus 3x as 1 minus 3x to the power of minus a half using the rules of indices. Now, in order to expand this, we need to know the binomial expansion of a rational or negative index. So that is 1 plus x to the power of n is 1 plus n times x plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared, etc. Those will be the first three terms. N will have a value of minus a half, and x will be equivalent to minus 3x. You just need to make sure you substitute in brackets. The first term is easy, it's 1. And then the next term is going to be a half times my value of x, which is minus 3x. But notice I've put them into brackets. The next term is going to be minus a half. N minus 1 will be minus 3 over 2 divided by 2 factorial. And then we've got the minus 3x squared. Okay, so this is going to be 1. This will be positive, so it'll just be 3 over 2x. This will also be term will be positive, because a negative times a negative is positive, and then times a negative again, which has been squared, will be positive. So we don't have to worry about the sign, it's going to be positive. And then we just have to work out a half times 3 over 2 divided by 2 factorial, which will be 3 over 8. And then times and 3 squared times 9, so it will be plus 27 over 8x squared, etc. Now, the expansion will be, this is true if the x valid for the x minus 3x being between minus 1 and 1, which means that x would have to be between minus 1/3 and a 1/3, and sometimes you see it written like this: the absolute value of x is less than 1/3. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to expand using the binomial theorem for a negative or rational index. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.